Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the device and account tied to the recovery key. This is crucial. Sign in to the same Microsoft account you used on the locked PC because Windows stores keys there. Once done, note whether BitLocker used TPM or a password. This changes where keys appear. Make sure you have a working internet device and your account credentials ready. Do not reboot the locked PC yet, because you will be retrieving the key first to avoid data loss. Next, open your Microsoft account on the secondary device and go to the Device Recovery or BitLocker Keys section. You must be signed into the same account previously used on the locked machine. Once you find the device name, select View Recovery Key or BitLocker Details. Microsoft lists keys as a 48-digit string. Copy or write down that full number carefully. Hyphens matter for reading, and keep it secure. If you don't see the key, check other accounts you might have used. Finally, go to the locked PC and enter the 48-digit BitLocker recovery key when prompted. Typing carefully avoids repeated lockouts. Once accepted, Windows will unlock and may let you suspend BitLocker or set a new PIN. Make that change now if needed. If the key is rejected, double-check you copied from the correct Microsoft account and match digits. If problems persist, try another device entry or contact your IT admin. One tip: if online
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.